Joe here with the RideShare Guy, and today we're going to discuss the Solo app. We'll take you through the download and sign up process, and make sure to stick around until the end because I'll show you how to make sure you receive the free $15 sign up bonus for August. Alright, so Solo is a business app for gig workers, and with Solo you can track your income, mileage, and taxes automatically. They also have guaranteed daily pay in certain markets, and they also have leaderboards where you can compare your performance to other users. And that daily income guarantee is currently available in Seattle, Miami, Orlando, Tampa, Atlanta, Nashville, Houston, Dallas, San Antonio, and Austin. And they will guarantee an hourly rate for certain time slots that you put on your schedule. Alright, and they do have 3 levels of plans. So the free plan includes the personal income dashboard and the custom weekly income and market reports. And the basic plan is $4 a month, and that includes the city and nationwide earnings leaderboard, the Metro Jobs Marketplace, automatic mileage tracking, and federal tax projections. And the Pro plan is $8 a month, and that includes the custom Solo Smart Schedule, and this is the plan you need to have in order to get the daily guaranteed pay. And you also have the option to pay annually for the Pro plan, and that's $75, which will save you about $20 for the year. Next, we'll go through the download and sign up process. Alright, first you'll click our referral link in the description. You'll then be redirected to your app store. There you'll download the Solo app. And when you first open the app, it'll ask you which city you work in. Next, it will ask you what features you're most excited about. I'll select all of them. Next, you'll enter your phone number. You'll have to verify your phone number. Next, it will ask you to add your email. Then you'll create your password. Then you'll connect your work accounts. And there are a lot of options. I'm just going to do my driving accounts, which are Uber and Lyft. We'll start with Uber. You'll have to log into your Uber account to connect it. And once you've connected your Uber account, it will connect both your Uber and Uber Eats accounts. Next, I'll connect my Lyft account. And it will ask you for your phone number and driver's license number. Alright, so I have my Uber and Lyft accounts connected. Next, it will ask you if you want to enable notifications. Then it will ask if you want to enable location tracking. Now your account is officially created, and you'll see this message. We'll close that. Next, it will ask if you want to turn on location tracking. Then you'll see this pending activity message, which says please allow 24 hours for your activities to be automatically synced. And here's what the app looks like for me a day later. You can see my income, earnings breakdown section, all earnings sorted by day. You can also add manual income. There's also an expenses section where you can have your automatic mileage tracking turned on if you like, and also track your other expenses. There's also a taxes area where you can estimate your taxes. We'll select that Smart Schedule at the bottom. And looks like Smart Schedule is not available in my city currently. Next, we'll select that leaderboard option at the bottom. Here's where you can see how you stack up against other Solo users. Next, we'll select that marketplace option at the bottom. Here's where you can see average earnings for every platform, and you can also sign up for these services here. Alright, now as far as making sure that you receive that free $15 bonus that you get by signing up using our referral link, you're going to need to add your PayPal or your Venmo account to the Solo app. So let's go through how you do that in the app. Alright, you click that top left clipboard icon, then select the Wallet tab. And here's where you'll need to add either your PayPal or your Venmo account. And bonuses process every Tuesday. Again, the bonus is $15 for the month of August, and that may change going forward. Thanks again for watching. Please like, comment, or subscribe, and drive safe. Thanks.